Hi folks, well, another interesting amplifier I found on internet. Well, this one is the MOGU, and I don't know the model because it's just not showing any type of model anywhere on the amplifier. So this amplifier comes with really short manuals, but it has one really cool information added here, and this is the power input to output ratio, and it even is an equation, so you can calculate, for example, if you are feeding the amplifier with 12 volt on the 5 ampere of power, you can expect to receive the 60 watt on output channel. So this is really cool information, and I like that they attach this here in the manuals, because this amplifier you can feed all the way from 9 to 24 volt and you will get the different output power ratio, so maximum of 100 watt per channel, so one channel and second channel left and right. Cool stuff. So this MOGU amplifier, it looks very familiar because you probably see another one from the Nobsound, which is very popular, and this is the NS20G model, and yeah, it's almost the exactly amplifier like you see here, but it looks like that this is the Nobsound's new competitor, or I don't know. Maybe it's the same company who makes both of them, but yeah, they are cool amplifiers, they work great, and you can really make a small party with these ones. So I don't know, make your comments, tell me something about yours, if you have some cool stuff too, and share this information with others.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. I'm up all day, all night, replaying our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose this. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes. Everything was on the line. Didn't want to be the one who had to say it. No, I can't rewind the time. Promise I'll put down my pride. Don't look back because I mean it when I say it. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose. But if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose this. Walking away, your words are lost on me. It's taking everything not to turn around, throw it away. See if you'll let go of me when you're not holding me. I can see it now. Hey, when I lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long time. Lost in my head, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose it. I'm up all day, all night, we playing our last fight. Now in hindsight, I don't care, I'm not gonna lose it. I'm not gonna lose it. Yeah, kinda hate myself sometimes.